Hello everyone, welcome back to Falling for Chinese. I am Wang. This video will tell you when people want to know your name and how to introduce your name in Chinese naturally and confidently. The content here is based on what you hear and use all the time in real life. However, it's also useful to help you to prepare HSK Level 1.
我叫王爱，你叫什么名字？
你好，王爱，我叫美美。
你好，美美。
When people ask you for your name, they would ask, 你叫什么名字? What's your name? Let's say it together. 你叫什么名字? Again, 你叫什么名字? What would you say to respond? If your name is Vanessa, you can answer, 我叫 Vanessa. I'm called Vanessa. Let's say it together, 我叫. Again, this time fill in with your name, 我叫. In a question, 你叫什么名字? The first character, 你 means you. Do you remember which phrase also has this word? It's 你 in 你好. The second character, 叫 means to call. 什么 means what. It's a frequently used question word in daily life. When we can't understand what someone has said, we may say 什么? When we hear something surprising or shocking, we may also say 什么? 名字 means name. As for 我 in the answer, it means I or me. Please pay attention to the word order. It is different from English. In Chinese, you say, you called what name? It might sound odd, but in Chinese, the sentence structure in the question is exactly the same as in the answer. You simply replace 什么名字 with your name. Let's try again.
你叫什么名字？
Let's try a longer conversation with the words learned in previous lessons.
早上好，
早上好，
我叫王爱，你叫什么名字？
你好，王爱，我叫美美。
你好，美美。
Now let's talk about some interesting facts and rules about Chinese names. The first one is the surname first rule in Chinese names. Ever wonder why Chinese names feel like they are backwards? In names like Yao Ming, the surname comes first. Yao is the family name and Ming is the given name. This rule also reflects a core Chinese value that is family comes before the individual. So 周杰伦, Zhou is the surname. And Li Na, Li is the surname. The second one is many Chinese people share few surnames. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Over 300 million people in China share just 3 surnames, Wang, Li, and Zhang. And I'm also one of them. Chinese names also reveal what qualities parents want for their child. For example, boys might get names like Wei, meaning great, Qiang, meaning strong, or Zhong, meaning loyal, while girls' names often feature beauty and nature, Ting, meaning graceful, Li means beautiful, or Xue, meaning snow. Now can you guess if the names are for a boy or for a girl? So Wei in Wang Wei means great. So Wang Wei is the name for a boy. Xue in Li Xue means snow. So Li Xue is the name for a girl. Do you also want a proper Chinese name? Just tell me the qualities you want in the comments and I will help you. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to learn more about the greetings of the day, click on the video that pops up. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to introduce your friends or colleagues to others. 再见!